In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to wrap text in a cell in Smartsheet so your data is easier to read and more professionally formatted. If you've ever typed a long sentence into a Smartsheet cell and noticed that the text gets cut off or spills over in a way that makes your sheet look messy, this quick setting will fix that instantly. By the end of this video, you'll know how to enable text wrapping in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Smartsheet tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open Smartsheet and go to the sheet where you want to wrap your text. Make sure you're in grid view because that's where you'll be able to access the column formatting options. Once your sheet is open, locate the column that contains the text you want to wrap. This works especially well for columns with long descriptions, comments, or detailed task information. When text wrapping is turned off, you'll usually see the text cut off visually unless you manually resize the column. Wrapping allows the text to display on multiple lines within the same cell automatically. Next, move your cursor to the column header at the top of the sheet. The column header is the title area of the column, such as task name, description, or any custom name you're using. Click directly on the column header to select it. This tells Smartsheet that you want to adjust settings for that entire column rather than just a single cell. You'll notice that once selected, the column header becomes highlighted. After selecting the column header, look for the three dots icon. This is the More Options menu for that column. Click on those three dots to open the drop-down menu. This menu contains several formatting and column-specific options that control how your data appears and behaves. From the drop-down menu, find and click on the option labeled Wrap. As soon as you click Wrap, Smartsheet will automatically adjust the cells in that column so that all text wraps within each cell instead of being cut off. You'll immediately see longer text entries expand vertically, displaying the full content across multiple lines. The row height will automatically adjust to fit the wrapped text, making everything much easier to read without widening your columns. If you ever want to turn wrapping off, simply repeat the same steps. Click the column header, click the three dots, and toggle the wrap option off. This gives you full control over how your sheet looks depending on your layout preference. Wrapping text is especially useful when sharing sheets with team members, exporting reports, or presenting project details to stakeholders. It keeps your sheet clean, organized, and readable without constantly resizing columns. Small formatting improvements like this can make a big difference in how professional your Smartsheet documents appear. And that's it. That's how you wrap text in a cell in Smartsheet. Quick, simple, and extremely useful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Smartsheet tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.